welcome back to another Curl Map Mondays. We're gonna do Florida. I actually got a decent list here, which is so nice. I think this was the first guy that signed up in Florida. This is Richard McGaugh. This guy's awesome. He's in Jacksonville. The next one I've got is in Aventura, Florida. It's Curls Be Told. The next one after that is, I'm sure you've seen her popped up on my grid. This is Gossip Curl. Maya, she's awesome. Thank you for everything that you've done. She's in Tampa. Get hit up a lot for Tampa. If you're not familiar with Gossip Curl, you should definitely check her out. Down in Miami, I've got Salon Ethos. In Jacksonville, I've got The Curl We Live In. And I think this is our newest one that has signed up to Curl Maps is Curl Girl K. She's also in Tampa. And then the last one on the Florida list is, I think I'm saying it right, Phi Eco Salon, also in Jacksonville Beach. Give them a look if you are looking for a curl specialist in Florida. You definitely got some options. I'll bring this one up because the last time we checked in on this date, there wasn't anybody there. And we actually got a sign up there. So we're gonna jump over to Idaho. And over in Meridian, got Pam Hunter. She's the only one listed in Idaho. So give her a look over here on Curl Maps if you're looking for somebody who can handle your curls. Apparently she's the only one in the entire state of Idaho.